Iran-US conflict. Tensions are high between Washington and Iran, after President Donald Trump declared Friday that a reign of terror is over with the death of an Iranian general killed in a U.S. strike. In the wake of the targeted killing, Iran has promised to seek revenge for the U.S. airstrike, which took place near Baghdad's airport. The Pentagon scrambled to reinforce the American military presence in the Middle East in preparation for reprisals from Tehran. General Qasem Soleimani made the death of innocent people his sick passion, Mr. Trump said from his estate in Palm Beach, Florida. The president added that a lot of lives would have been saved if he'd been hunted down years ago. The president also denied claims that the targeted attack would ignite further conflict between Washington and Iran. "We took action last night to stop a war. We did not take action to start a war," Trump said, adding that he does not seek regime change in Iran. Iran promises revenge. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khomeini vowed harsh retaliation after the airstrike, calling Soleimani the international face of resistance. Khomeini declared 3 days of public mourning and appointed Major General Esmail Ghani, Soleimani's deputy, to replace him as head of the Quds force. Iranian President Hassan Rouhani called the killing a heinous crime and said his country would take revenge. Iranian Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif called the U.S. attack a cowardly terrorist action and said Iran has the right to respond in any method and any time. Thousands of worshippers in Tehran took to the streets after Friday prayers to condemn the killing, waving posters of Soleimani and chanting "Death to Deceitful America."